Hi, today we're going to be talking about Singapore and its sustainability. When it comes to Singapore, it is actually one of the most luxury and expensive cities in the world. So you might be thinking that it might have a pretty bad sustainability as to it may have a lot of industry, a lot of cars, and a lot of pollution. One of the main reasons for Singapore to have all of these sustainable regulations is the fact that the government stated several years ago that it was needed since they were seeing the rapid growth of the city and the need for resources.
Singapore hasn't always been as sustainable as now, but they've took a couple of actions to be a more sustainable city. For example, they dealt with the scarcity of water by implementing a wastewater recycling system that allows to reuse nearly 40% of the water. Plus, they are working to green 80% of skyscrapers and high rises by 2030. Also, Singapore has a green plan to complete by 2030, which includes plant 1 million trees, quadruple solar energy development, reduce water sent to landfill by 30%, at least 20% of the schools to be carbon neutral, and all newly registered cars to be cleaner energy models.
Just as they recollect water from rain, they also use body waters in order to generate more electricity. This in a pretty different way, as today use floating solar panels in order to gain energy from sunlight. Still on this topic of solar panels, there are certain regulations regarding the energy usage on most of the buildings in Singapore, as to it is a city that has a lot of buildings and most of them are required to have solar panels on them. All of these things make Singapore one, if not the most sustainable city. Thanks for watching.